Welcome to this complete Bora Bora Island travel guide. Bora Bora in the South Pacific is a captivating tropical paradise. Imagine azure waters sparkling under the sun and lush greenery contrasting with clear lagoons. The air is warm and tropical blooms are as captivating as the island's culture. Bora Bora boasts opulent resorts offering unrivaled views of the surroundings. If you're yearning to escape the ordinary and step into the extraordinary, you've come to the right place. Pack your bags and let your imagination take flight as we explore the best things to do in Bora Bora. Our journey begins at the breathtaking Matira Beach. This tropical paradise nestled in the heart of the South Pacific is the most popular public access beach in Bora Bora. Picture it now, pure white sand stretching across the horizon, merging seamlessly with the calm, warm waters that shimmer under the Polynesian sun. It's the kind of place that captures your heart and refuses to let go. Matira Beach isn't just about the sand and sea though. It's about the atmosphere, the feeling of serenity that washes over you as you recline under a palm tree. The soft rustle of leaves harmonizing with the gentle lapping of the waves. It's about the sense of community that comes from sharing this slice of heaven with locals and tourists alike, all drawn here by the promise of relaxation and rejuvenation. As we leave the beach behind, our gaze is drawn upwards towards Mount Otemanu. This majestic peak is the highest point on the island, standing tall and proud against the skyline. Its jagged silhouette, a stark contrast to the smooth, soft contours of the beach, commands respect and admiration. Mount Otemanu is not just a sight to behold from afar, it's an adventure waiting to happen. It offers hiking opportunities for the brave and the bold, trails that wind through lush greenery, past cascading waterfalls, all the way to the summit. The reward for this arduous journey? Panoramic views that will leave you breathless, a bird's-eye perspective of Bora Bora that etches itself into your memory, a testament to the island's natural beauty. So whether you're a sun worshipper, keen to bask in the warmth of Matira Beach, or an adrenaline junkie, ready to conquer the heights of Mount Otemanu, Bora Bora caters to all. From sunbathing at the beach to climbing up the mountain, Bora Bora offers an adventurous day out. This island, this paradise, is a world of contrasts, each more enchanting than the last, waiting for you to explore. Next on our list is the exciting Bora Bora Lagunarium. A captivating wonder of nature, the Lagunarium serves as a natural aquarium, a world beneath the waves where the aquatic life of Bora Bora thrives in harmony. Imagine this, you are swimming alongside colorful exotic fish, observing sea turtles glide by, and even getting up close and personal with the graceful manta rays. A truly immersive experience, isn't it? But the Lagunarium isn't just about observing, it's about engaging. Under the guidance of experienced local guides, you can safely interact with the marine life, feeding the fish and learning about the unique ecosystem that makes Bora Bora's underwater world so vibrant and diverse. Now, if you are someone who craves a bit more excitement, then the Shark and Ray Snorkel Safari is just the ticket. This is no ordinary snorkeling trip, my friends. Here you'll find yourself swimming with black-tip reef sharks and stingrays in their natural habitat. The thrill of being surrounded by these magnificent creatures is unparalleled, but don't worry, it's entirely safe, with well-trained guides ensuring your underwater adventure is nothing short of exhilarating. The Shark and Ray Snorkel Safari is more than just a snorkeling trip. It's a journey into the heart of Bora Bora's marine life. You'll leave with a newfound respect for these amazing creatures and the delicate balance of life beneath the sea. And the best part, the crystal clear waters of Bora Bora mean you'll have a front row seat to this underwater spectacle. You'll see every detail, every color, every movement with such clarity that you will feel like you're part of this underwater world. So whether you're a seasoned snorkeler or a first-time diver, the Bora Bora Lagunarium and Shark and Ray Snorkel Safari offer unforgettable experiences that will have you falling in love with the island's marine life. The underwater world of Bora Bora is just as fascinating as its surface. It's a world full of life, color, and adventure, waiting for you to dive in and explore. Let's now head to the bustling Vaitape Village. As the heart of Bora Bora, Vaitape Village is a beehive of activity and the island's main hub for commerce. This charming village presents an opportunity to engage with the local culture, providing an authentic slice of life on this idyllic island. It's a place where the familiar hum of everyday life blends seamlessly with the exotic allure of the South Pacific. Vaitape is a gastronomic playground, offering a smorgasbord of culinary delights that will tickle your taste buds. Here, the local cuisine is an explosion of flavor with dishes that marry fresh seafood with tropical fruits, all infused with a distinctive Polynesian twist. For those with a sweet tooth, the local patisseries are a must visit, with their array of pastries and desserts that are as delightful to look at as they are to savor. But Vaitape is not just about food. The village is also home to a number of boutiques where you can find unique souvenirs and handcrafted goods. From intricate shell jewelry to vibrant Pario wraps, these keepsakes are a tangible reminder of your time in Bora Bora. From Vaitape, we journey to the pristine shores of Bora Bora Pearl Beach. This is more than just a beach. It's a slice of paradise on earth, a place where the turquoise blue of the lagoon meets the soft white sand, offering a sublime setting for relaxation. Bora Bora Pearl Beach is known for its pearl farms. These farms cultivate some of the world's most beautiful pearls, with a lustrous beauty that mirrors the shimmering waters of the surrounding lagoon. On a visit to one of these farms, you can learn about the intricate process of pearl farming and perhaps even pick up a pearl or two as a memento of your trip. A day in Bora Bora is incomplete without a visit to Vaitape and a relaxing time at Bora Bora Pearl Beach. We round off our list with some of Bora Bora's hidden gems. First, we dive into the underwater paradise of the coral gardens, a snorkeler's dream come true. The coral gardens are a vibrant and colorful wonderland teeming with tropical fish and coral formations. As you float above this underwater spectacle, you'll witness the intricate dance of marine life, creating a spectacle as mesmerizing as any ballet. The coral gardens are not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Next, we ascend to the heights of Matira Point. Offering panoramic views of the island and its surrounding waters, Matira Point is the perfect spot for those who love to capture stunning landscapes. The emerald peaks, azure waters, and golden beaches form a breathtaking tableau that's enough to make any photographer's heart skip a beat. And let's not forget, it's a prime location for catching the island's spectacular sunsets. We then step back in time at the Anau historical site. These remnants of Bora Bora's past bear silent testimony to the island's rich history and culture. The maraes, or ancient Polynesian temples, whisper tales of a time when gods and legends walked the earth. As you explore these sites, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the island's ancestors, their beliefs and their way of life. Finally, we end our day at Matira Jetty. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the tranquil waters, it's the perfect moment to reflect on the day's adventures. The jetty, with its picturesque views of the lagoon and nearby islands, is the ideal spot to unwind and soak in the island's serene beauty. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the most memorable moments are found not in the hustle and bustle, but in the quiet tranquility of nature. Bora Bora is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. And there you have it, the best things to do in Bora Bora. We've journeyed through the cerulean waters of Matira Beach, scaled the verdant heights of Mount Otemanu, and marveled at the underwater wonders of Bora Bora Lagunarium. We've swum with the sharks and rays on a snorkel safari that would make even Jacques Cousteau jealous, strolled through the vibrant and welcoming Vaitape Village, and soaked in the sun on the pristine sands of Bora Bora Pearl Beach. We've dived into the vibrant coral gardens, stood at the breathtaking Matira Point, immersed ourselves in the rich history of Anau, and finally watched the sunset from the picturesque Matira Jetty. Each of these places offers a unique slice of life on this tropical paradise. Bora Bora is a symphony of experiences, a melody of moments waiting just for you. Bora Bora is a paradise waiting for you to explore. So what are you waiting for? Plan your trip today and experience this tropical paradise for yourself.